Hello, super learners! Get ready for the unique letter. The letter U. What sound does U make? U says as in umbrella. U says as in unicorn. U says as in up. U is for under. Let's go under the table. Wow, you found all the words for the letter U. Umbrella, unicorn, up, under. Fantastic job, little learners. You're learning so fast. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the awesome letter. The letter V. What sound does V make? V says V, as in van. V says V, as in violin. V says V, as in vegetables. V is for volcano. Boom! Wow! You found all the words for the letter V. Van, violin, vegetables, volcano. Great job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the wonderful letter. The letter W. What sound does W make? W says wa, as in water. W says wa, as in whale. W says wa, as in watch. W is for watermelon. Yummy and juicy. Wow! You found all the words for the letter W. Water, whale, watch, watermelon. Fantastic job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together! Hello, super learners! Get ready for the exciting letter. The letter X. What sound does X make? X says Z, as in xylophone. X says Z, as in X-ray. X says Z, as in xeris, a cute little squirrel. X is for Xmas. Wow, you found all the words that start with the letter X. Xylophone, X-ray, xeris, Xmas. Amazing job, little learners! You're doing so well. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the awesome letter. The letter Y. What sound does Y make? Y says Y, as in yo-yo. Y says Y, as in yuck. Y says Y, as in yarn. Y is for yellow, a bright and sunny color. Wow, you found all the words for the letter Y. Yo-yo, yak, yarn, yellow. Fantastic job, little learners. You're doing amazing. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the amazing letter, the letter Z. What sound does Z make? Z says Z, as in zebra. Z says Z, as in zip. Z says Z as in zoo. Z is for zucchini, a healthy green vegetable. Wow, you found all the words for the letter Z. Zebra, zip, zoo, zucchini. Great job, little learners! You're doing wonderful. Let's learn more fun things together.